Hello viewers. Today we will discuss another important time measurement in lead time. I recommend watching our previous videos about takt time and cycle time. If you haven't done so, click on the video listed to the right. Please leave your comments below, like and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get ready. So lead time is defined as the time it takes for a part to be completed end to end, passing through all the processes and inventory. If we recall from our last video, the process where a car matches its wheels, we will continue adding the next process where paint is applied and then left for drying. Let's take a closer look at it. We have the car, it's matching its pair of wheels. It's now moving to another station where paint is applied. It is now left for drying and it moves out of the production line. In this example, our lead time is the time from end to end, which is 17.42 seconds. If we remember, lead time is the time it takes from beginning to end in a process. We usually take a couple of measurements to have an average lead time, take into consideration inventories and holding times. Please stay tuned for our next video where I will explain how takt time, cycle time, and lead time relate to each other and how comparing them help us taking decisions to make our processes lean. Remember, like and subscribe to support the channel. Leave your comments below. See you later.